when we dream intentionally in the way that I teach, we are dreaming in the assumption that everything in existence has a spirit. Everything in existence has its own individual consciousness field. Now, this is really the ancient framework of animism, which is how humans saw themselves and the world for tens of thousands of years, right? Really before the onset of modernity. Humans always saw themselves as integral and equal components to an alive universe, an alive world. So in this framework, again, everything is inspirited. Everything has a consciousness. And so as a result, we can interact with every aspect of the animate world, every part of the more than human world. So of course, this would follow that a tree or a river or a bear or a bird all has a consciousness, all has, and the ability to connect with us in waking life and in our dreams. This also means that concepts and ideas have consciousness as well. So for example, the consciousness of democracy, or perhaps the spirit of our business, or perhaps the spirit of your family. So when we provide beingness, when we allow these non-human beings to have the same standing as we do as humans, it opens up this whole new realm of possibility where now we can interact and we can dream with the spirit, with the consciousness of these beings. So this is what enables us to do this intentional dream work practice that I'm giving you all right now, right? This is what enables us to dream with the spirit of the land, because we're working within a framework as if everything has a spirit. And in this way, we can start to form relationships, deep relationships with the more than human world.